In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on Find My iPhone. With Find My iPhone turned on your iPhone, this will make your iPhone discoverable and you'll be able to track and find your iPhone when you misplace it. You'll also be able to lock the device if the device falls to the right hand. However, this function on your iPhone is enabled by default, but if you mistakenly turn this off, then here are the steps you need to take to turn on the Find My iPhone feature in your iPhone. So you want to go to your iPhone settings. Follow the settings, just scroll down and click on privacy and security. Now tap location services and make sure location services is enabled. So if the location services is turned off, your Find My iPhone will not be turned on because Find My iPhone needs to use your location to be able to track your iPhone or your device. So turn on location services. Once that is enabled, you should see all this function, then locate system services and click on that. Then make sure Find My iPhone is turned on. Here, if you disable this, just like this, then you should see a pop-up that says confirm your Apple ID. Go ahead and type in your Apple ID to turn off Find My iPhone. And make sure the Find My iPhone button is turned on. Once the Find My iPhone button is turned on, then your iPhone will be discoverable and you'll be able to track or find your iPhone whenever the need arises. So this is how you can easily turn on Find My iPhone on your device. If this is helpful, if you want to hit the like button, don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more quality videos just like this.